Hey guys, welcome back. This is how to change currency on Google Spreadsheet. So guys, first thing that you will do if you have a currency over here on your spreadsheet, just simply click on this corner over here. And now this will select everything. And after that, just simply go ahead and go to a format over here on the top and a drop down will show up. Just simply go for the number. You should be able to see here custom currency. So just simply click on this custom currency. And now from here, as you can see, you should be able to see here multiple options of currency that you might want to consider based on your preferences. Or you can use the search bar over here. So you can search a currency. And after that, just simply go ahead and select your currency. And after that, just simply go ahead and click on apply. And from there, you should be able to change your currency for the whole Google spreadsheet. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.